3年野球 VS 省锦标赛亚军，这个身体素质，这个东西，还好你有点野球手吧。180加的猛男，哥布林羡慕我，不能硬碰硬吃亏。 单纯杀上网费体力，对面防守低了。球路打开玩调度。
Thank you very much, and thank all the fans in the US. I appreciate it. You guys showed me a lot of love. Thanks all the Jamaicans. Big your guys up. I love you. Peace.